What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are testing out the Mystic Black collection from Novex Hair Care, and this is a Brazilian hair care line, so I'm super stoked to be testing it out. And my hair looks like trash right now, so if you feel sorry for me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and we're gonna go ahead and get started with this review. So let's go ahead and start out by telling you about the products that I received. First, this Mystic Black Hair Mask, which helps with intense hydration, split-end protection, frizz control. It's enriched with Baobab seed oil, and it's paraben, silicone, and sulfate-free, which is amazing. Then they sent me the Mystic Black Shampoo, which is great for dry, brittle hair. Again, it's enriched with that Baobab seed oil. It has easy absorbing and shine enhancing nutrients. And then the conditioner, which also is great for hydration, shine, and frizz control. It is also paraben, silicone, and sulfate free like all of their products, which is bomb for us curly girls. Then the last thing is the Mystic Black Leave-In, which is a powerful detangler, provides extra shine, and it's also paraben and silicone and sulfate free. So to start off, we're going to start with the Hair Mask by Novex, and this product has a very light, fresh scent, and it says in the directions to apply to dry hair and you leave it on for 3 minutes. But when I was looking at the website, it looks like this can be used as like a deep conditioner as well and left on for longer. But I just followed the directions on the back of the bottle, so this is what I'm doing. I just split my hair into 2 halves, and I'm applying quite a liberal amount of the product because I felt like I really wanted to get my hair nice and saturated. My hair was super tangly, and it was probably like 5th or 6th day hair, so it definitely needed the extra TLC, and I am using a ton of this product just to pop all over my hair. And my goal was to try to detangle my hair with this product, but I realized very quickly when I went in with a detangling comb that was not going to happen. So I just kind of left this on my hair, and I wish I would have known that I could leave it on longer because I definitely would have went ahead and left it on for like 15 minutes. Here you can see me on the struggle bus trying to untangle my hair, and it just wasn't happening. So I don't recommend this. I just recommend you putting this on and just kind of letting it saturate and sink into your hair. And another thing about this product, it is their most extreme treatment according to their website, so keep that in mind. And it retails for $15.99, which is a great price point. And at this point, I'm just going to jump in the shower, and it's been 3 minutes, so the first thing I'm doing is rinsing out that hair mask, which did leave my hair feeling nice and silky soft, not detangled, but it definitely provided extra moisture to my hair. I could tell right away before going in with my shampoo. So there's that. So now we're going to go ahead and go in with the shampoo from the Mystic Black collection. And the Novex line, like, they have tons of different collections in their line, so whatever your hair needs are, check out their website and you'll probably find something that will work for you. The shampoo was pretty runny. It wasn't like super thick, as you could tell. It did feel like it just sank into my hair very quickly, so I did go back in with a little bit more shampoo to make sure that I got a nice thorough cleanse. As you can see, it's not really lathering up, which it doesn't have sulfates or silicones or anything like that to help it lather, so that's actually a good thing. I don't mind not having any lather to my shampoo, so I just scrubbed my scalp as good as I could, and then I rinsed it all out, obviously. And this product also had a very light, nice scent to it. All of the products smell really great. It did not leave my hair too squeaky clean, so that was a good thing as well. Both the shampoo and the conditioner retail for $6.99, so it's drugstore price. And the conditioner was definitely a little bit thicker, which I enjoyed. It provided a ton of moisture. I felt like this was great. I almost feel like I didn't need the hair mask when using this conditioner because it did provide tons of moisture and hydration to the hair. I was able to detangle my hair so easily with this conditioner, so I was very pleased with this product. And just a little bit about the Novex systems. Basically, it's a deep conditioning system developed to treat the hair and restore its shine and smoothness. All of their products are enriched with vitamin E, which is a main component for hair growth. So that's really great, and strengthening of the hair. They are a salon quality brand, and they are found in over 45 countries and in 6 different languages. So that's pretty cool, but it originated in Brazil. So at this point, my hair is all nice and conditioned and detangled. I went ahead and rinsed that out, and now it is time to go in with the very last product, which is the Novex leave-in conditioner. And yes, I do have a huge mountain of a zit on my forehead, so hopefully you guys have ignored that throughout this video. But this product right here, along with their other products, is enriched with the Baobab seed oil, which has properties in it that makes detangling a whole lot easier. And I did find it to be very, very easy. I was able to detangle my hair so easily with my detangling comb. Now, there was no styling product, so very quickly I'm just going in with a few of my styling products. I used the I Create Volume from Innocence Organic Beauty, along with the I Create Hold gel. Now, at this point, I was feeling like I had way too much of the leave-in. It started to get a little bit chunky in my hair, so I got a little concerned, but in the end, you guys, wait for it, because in the end, I am obsessed with the results. Again, I use the I Create Volume and I Create Hold from Innocence Organic, and I went and diffused my hair like I typically do. I have lots of other videos on how I style, how I diffuse my hair. I'll link those in the description box. But here is the final results with all of those products. And honestly, you guys, I am so happy with my results. My hair turned out so soft. It felt so hydrated, but it wasn't like limp and weighed down. As you can see, I still have volume, but it's nice and bouncy and soft. I am loving the products. I feel like everything just worked together really well, as it should. And yeah, there's really nothing negative that I have to say about this. Now, out of the products that I used, what I would say is this product, the hair mask, I probably wouldn't purchase because the conditioner I think worked great. Maybe as a deep conditioner it would be great. Loved the shampoo and conditioner, loved the leave-in. I felt like it gave me that extra boost of hydration, and overall, I love these products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.